Ethereum value equivalent to 28,840 rands a coin. The present cost range, 27,981. 29,496. The earlier day close, 28,539. The change was plus 301, plus 1.05%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 8, cost 28,620 rands, high 30,623. Low 26,617. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, walk 9, cost 28,487 rands, high 30,481, low 26,493. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, walk 10, cost 28,548 rands, high 30,546, low 26,550. Ethereum conjecture on Monday, walk 13, cost 27,033 rands, high 28,925, low 25,141. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 26,665 rands, high 28,532, low 24,798. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 27,645 rands, high 29,580, low 25,710. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, walk 16, cost 27,463 rands, high 29,385, low 25,541. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, walk 17, cost 27,281 rands, high 29,191, low 25,371. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, walk 20, cost 28,050 rands, high 30,014, low 26,087. In about 14 days Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, walk 21, cost 28,079 rands, high 30,045, low 26,113. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 22, cost 27,339 rands, high 29,253, low 25,425. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, walk 23, cost 27,387 rands, high 29,304, low 25,470. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, walk 24, cost 27,211 rands, high 29,116, low 25,306. Ethereum estimate on Monday, walk 27, cost 26,700 rands, high 28,569, low 24,831. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 28, cost 27,179 rands, high 29,082, low 25,276. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, walk 29, cost 26,740 rands, high 28,612, low 24,868. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, walk 30, cost 27,067 rands, high 28,962, low 25,172. Ethereum estimate on Friday, walk 31, cost 27,742 rands, high 29,684, low 25,800. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost 27,518 rands, high 29,444, low 25,592. In about a month Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, April 4, cost 29,750 rands, high 31,833, low 27,668. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost 31,037 rands, high 33,210, low 28,864. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, April 6, cost 31,415 rands, high 33,614, low 29,216. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for walk 2023. Before all else cost at 29,363 rands, excessive cost 30,820. while low cost 24,798. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 28,181. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 27,742. Change for spring 5.5%. Ethereum conjecture for April 2023. Before all else cost at 27,742 rands. Excessive cost 33,614. While low cost 25,081. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 28,352. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 26,969. Change for April 2.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2023. Initially cost at 26,969 rands. Excessive cost 30,745. While low cost 26,723. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 28,293. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 28,734. Change for May 6.5%. Ethereum conjecture for June 2023. At the outset cost at 28,734 rands. Excessive cost 35,664. While low cost 28,734. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 31,616. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 33,331. Change for June 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 33,331 rands. Excessive cost 33,331. While low cost 28,348. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 31,373. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 30,482. Change for July 8.5%. Ethereum conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 30,482 rands. Excessive cost 30,482. While low cost 23,813. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 27,596. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 25,605. Change for August 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 25,605 rands. Exorbitant cost 31,781. While low cost 25,605. The found the middle value of cost 28,173. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 29,702. Change for September 16.0%. Ethereum estimate for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 29,702 rands. Exorbitant cost 29,702. While low cost 25,064. The found the middle value of cost 27,855. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 26,951. Change for October 9.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 26,951 rands. Exorbitant cost 27,501. While low cost 23,000.